Lenovo XClarity Integrator. Replacing a disk. From the Lenovo XClarity Integrator homepage, select a host from the vCenter host inventory tree and then open the Monitor tab. Click Hardware Topology under Lenovo XClarity. The hardware topology page will be displayed. In this example, the Bay 6 disk has been selected to start the replacement. Click Disk Actions and then click Replace Disk. The validation window will be shown. The yellow column indicates the disk in Bay 6 is about to be removed. Click the Expand icon and detailed information about the Bay 6 disk will be displayed. If there are no questions, click Next to go to the Migrate Data page. Click the Expand icon next to vSAN Data Migration. 3 options that can be selected to migrate the disk data will be displayed. In this example, full data migration has been selected. Click Do It Now and the data migration process will begin. When the data migration process is complete, click Next. The Replace Disk page will be displayed. Click Disk LED to turn on the LED on the disk. This will help the remote person identify the correct disk. You can click the Expand icon of the bay to be removed to see more disk information. After replacing the disk, click Detect New Disk to scan the new disk. The new disk will be shown if it has been detected. Click the New Disk Expand icon to see more detailed information. Click Auto Claim New Disk to automatically add the new disk to the disk group. Click Finish after the disk has been claimed. The hardware topology page will be displayed. Click the Bay 6 Expand icon to check the new disk information and ensure it has been added into the same disk group. Close the Expand icon of the Bay 6 disk.